Ladies and gentlemen, this is Biafra Battle Cry Channel Television, and I'm bringing to you tonight the leader of Masob, Uwazurike, met today, calling on federal government of Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if they should pardon the Boko Haram and recruited them, trained them in army, about 519 Boko Haram, who they said that they have been repented. If they can do that to them and pardon them and give them that privilege to be reintegrated into the society in the Nigerian army, why not Nnamdi Kanu, who has not committed any crime? So here it is tonight. I'm going to give it to you now for you to watch. If you have any comment, please drop at the comment section. This is Biafra Battle Cry Channel TV. Thank you very much. I see you again in another video.
Buhari is the person that must release Nnamdi Kanu before he leaves office. I don't know what is really happening. You want to elongate Nnamdi Kanu's stay in detention by begging Tinubu, who has not been sworn in. That is why at times I look at people I love. Many of our problems are caused by our people. Instead of asking Buhari, make sure you release Nnamdi Kanu before you go, we are shifting it to Tinubu. I want to let some people know the worst set of people that we want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. The last set of people that we want Nnamdi Kanu to be released are the Igbo politicians. Moreover, the so-called governors. Not all of them, but those you think are your friends that love you are their worst enemies. They are your worst enemies. How can somebody ask an incoming government who has not even taken position to release somebody arrested and detained by another government? Why can't that government release him? What reason does Buhari have to detain Nnamdi Kanu when a court of competent decision has asked for the release? Then an Igbo man is coming out to say, please, Tinubu, we congratulate you. Release Nnamdi Kanu when you are sworn in. What has Tinubu got to do with Nnamdi Kanu? Then when he comes into office, another machinery will be set in place to release Nnamdi Kanu. When Buhari should ask the Attorney General to bring out Nnamdi Kanu according to the dictates of the Court of Appeal. If Buhari could respect the decision of the Supreme Court in the Naira, whatever, redesign or swap, why can't you obey the dictates of the Court of Appeal to release Nnamdi Kanu? Because he followed the rule of law. In the case of Nnamdi Kanu, he forgets to follow the rule of law. It's injustice. It's injustice, and that's what I'm thinking about, and that's what I've been talking about. But some of the people who say they are clamoring for Biafra don't even understand anything. I don't know. When at times they label us saboteurs, that we have been giving money, we have been paid, that we are working on the side of the government. But the government fails to do the right thing. What does it take the federal government to grant Nnamdi Kanu bail, even if you don't want to leave him? I can stand as shorty. I'm not a senator. You can say a senator cannot be arrested, or a governor has immunity. He cannot be arrested if Nnamdi Kanu escapes. I can take him as a guarantor. If you release him, he runs away. Come and arrest me. I'm here in Nigeria. I can forfeit all my assets in that regard. Seize all my property. Then release, that if you release him, he runs away. Arrest me. Let me take his position. Let me be detained. Let me be tried. Seize all my property. He has no reason to be there. You cannot use the Supreme Court to deceive us. If the Supreme Court is serious, they would have tried him since then. But you can't use the Supreme Court to delay or detain an innocent person. He's an innocent person. Then they are telling us, bringing the picture of Boko Haram members who have apologized. Who speaks for Nnamdi Kanu? He's in DSS dungeon. Is it where he will apologize? I have been in that dungeon before. It's worse than hell. That's where somebody has stayed for almost close to 2 years now. It's very unfair. Someone, an Igbo man, is asking Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu. Was Tinubu the person that arrested Nnamdi Kanu? Why should Nnamdi Kanu be there after Buhari has left? Buhari was the person that arrested Nnamdi Kanu. He should be the person to release Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari should not leave that place without releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu has no business with Tinubu. It was not Tinubu that went to Kenya to adopt Nnamdi Kanu. It was Buhari. Buhari is the person that must release Nnamdi Kanu before he leaves office. He wants to humiliate us. He wants us to fight by all means. Please, I'm just making this video for this purpose. Buhari, please, I beg God, beg you, make sure you release Nnamdi Kanu before you leave office. Make sure you release Nnamdi Kanu before you leave office. You have no reason. You have no reason whatsoever to leave him behind while you leave office. If you can obey the Supreme Court over the Naira, whatever, you have to obey the Court of Appeal over the demand and the instruction to release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu should not wait for Tinubu. Tinubu has no business with Nnamdi Kanu. On the issue of Lagos, what people are going through in Lagos, I just laugh. I saw one MC Olomo or whatever they call him showing power. I just laugh. We have tested this thing before. This garagara wey una dey do when it starts, una go beg for peace. It's only federal government that can challenge us in Nigeria when it comes to Ibadan. No other tribe. So this thing we are doing in Lagos, humiliating the Igbo, pursuing them, wounding them, fighting them, because we have never reacted. When you push us to the wall, now you go beg for peace. This Olowo and the MC Olowo and his clique or friends who are doing all this. Now from corner where they hide, you will be preaching for peace. Now you go run away. I know who Igbos are. When we bounce back, now you go run away. Now you go cry. That your Lagos, your leg will not talk down. I know how we are pacifying our people. Cool down. We are not cowards. We are warriors. These are the two things I said I should say this afternoon. Nigeria, you are pushing Igbo to the wall. We don't want to fight any war again. But if you continue to push us to the wall, no problem. Thank you.
So, Biafra, so you have heard it from Uwazurike, the leader of Masob. If you have comment, drop at the comment section. Like I said, I will see you again in another video. This is Biafra Battle Cry. Thank you for watching. God bless.